Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we are going to review the new Nuna TRIV Next modular stroller. But before we do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below any questions you have about the TRIV. Let's get started. The Nuna TRIV first came out in 2019 and quickly became a popular single stroller option for its lightweight frame and sleek design. Some of the new features include a magnetic buckle design, a zip-off canopy, and a footrest. You will also find that the frame has been redesigned to give the stroller a more modern look. With this redesign comes a rounded handle, wider wheelbase, and a larger rear wheel. Now let's go over some of the TRIV's classic features that have been carried through this new design. This stroller features an extra large UPF 50 Plus canopy with a peekaboo window. The seat comes with a plush insert for colder months, and for warmer months, it is equipped with a mesh back to keep your child cool. This seat is also modular, meaning it can face either direction. It also has a near flat recline. The TRIV Next features beautiful washable materials and currently comes in caviar or hazelwood. Along with featuring the magnetic buckle, this harness does not need to be rethreaded as your child grows. One of our favorite parts of the TRIV Next is that it comes with beautiful leatherette detailing on the push bar and the handlebar. The push bar additionally features height adjustment. This stroller is engineered for convenience and comfort. It has all-wheel suspension and an upgraded brake system. You will also find that it has front swivel lock for easy maneuverability. The oversized storage basket on the TRIV can be accessed from both the front of the stroller and the rear. It holds up to 10 pounds. The stroller itself weighs a total of 18.40 pounds and can be used from birth up to 50 pounds. If you need a travel system, this stroller is awesome because it comes with the adapter for the Nuna Pippa car seat series. This adapter is especially designed to be capable of folding with the stroller. To fold the TRIV, simply adjust the seat recline forward and pull up on the middle handle. To unfold the stroller, pull up on the handlebar and readjust the seat. That wraps up our demo today. We love the Nuna TRIV Next because it's a super functional, compact stroller that's easy to use and has a beautiful design. You can shop for the stroller at babycubby.com. We offer price matching and free shipping on orders of $25 or more. To watch another video about the Nuna TRIV Next, check this out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.